In the last episode, I was at Gretna, the England-Scotland border, and I walked down along the River Sark, which is the England-Scotland border. And I flew my drone along the channel of the Esk, which is the first part of the Scottish coastline. In this episode, I've come to the tiny hamlet of Carsethorn. Really beautiful little village. If you can even classify it as a village, it's so small. And I'm going to fly along this coastline here towards Southerness. Very interesting thing for me about Carsethorn is this is where the River Nith flows into the Solway Firth. And that's interesting to me because the River Nith starts its journey right outside my front door, back in Ayrshire. So it's interesting that this journey along the entire coastline of Scotland will include where the Nith ends and flows into the Solway Firth, eventually joining the Irish Sea and eventually joining the Atlantic Ocean. So I can hear there are some seabirds out there making a wee bit of a noise. I don't know what kind of seabirds those are over there. If there are any, is it ornithologists among you? Maybe you'll be able to identify them. I have no idea what they are. All I know is that I do not want to disturb them, so I'm probably going to... Whoa. This gimbal is quite difficult to operate. So I am going to be walking along a wee bit until I'm quite a distance away from those birds, whatever they are, before I launch my DJI Mavic 3, the Wallace, and continue his journey along the coastline of Scotland, starting this week from Carsethorn.
The tide rolls in, say quiet and slow, silver on the Solway where the soft winds blow. Hey, the sea's at peace, the no whispering tales of a sky so blue. And I wander by the shoreline, bare feet in the cold sand free, listening to the seabirds crying, singing ancient harmony. By the lighthouse glow, keeping sailors safe frae harm, shining through the darkest night, a guide and faithful charm. The seabirds wail above me, with their wings say wide and free, picking cockles, mussels, stories frae the heart of Scotland sea. The dunes lie quiet, wrapped in gold, where gulls cry out like tales of old. The waves kiss softly at my feet, as if the sea remembers me, and the wind says, hold your heart light, let the worries drift a while, for this coast is filled with kindness, where the sun meets mist and law. By the lighthouse glow, keeping sailors safe frae harm, shining through the darkest night, a guide and faithful charm.